got chased again. Then he met a cow, and the little gingerbread man said, "Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." Then sooner or later, cow kept on chasing him. Then he came to a pig. He said, "Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." Sooner or later, the pig was chasing him. And then he's running. Then he came to the fox. He was whispering in the fox's ear. There he is. It was getting eaten.